Well, good morning, everybody. Hope you're doing okay in this winter storm. I don't know if you're just getting up with us, if you're still up from the night before and having fun in the snow. We have snow continuing to come down across the region. Live Storm Watch 7 Doppler radar is showing it mostly light across the close-in metro area, but we're still dealing with some very heavy snowfall rates across parts of southern Maryland. So we'll zoom down into this region from Prince Frederick down towards Lusby into Leadville, Lexington Park. You're all getting this moderate to heavy snow bands that are quickly accumulating, and you could get a good inch per hour yet here for the next couple of hours. We're not seeing much more than flurries inside the Beltway from D.C. up towards Bethesda. You get up towards Gaithersburg, and that's about what you're seeing as well. But a little farther north into Montgomery County, we're seeing more light to moderate snow showers, and that stretches up towards Frederick as well. Downtown, we're looking at 17 degrees for our current temperature. It is chilly this morning, my friends. You add a little bit of a breeze into that, and the feel factor is 9 degrees at this hour. Our winter storm warning remains in place across much of the region until noon today, but I do think the conditions are going to be winding down within the next couple of hours, and it's very likely that this will get dropped early. Now, how much snow have we seen? What kind of numbers? A little bit lower than originally forecast, and one of the reasons for that is that our snowflakes have just been so flat. It's been a very dry snow, and our temperatures were a little colder than we anticipated, which means it didn't allow it to stack up quite so much. Meteorologist Brian Vandegraff is in the Storm Watch 7 Weather Center right now, and he's got more than what we've seen so far. Hey, Brian.
Yeah, we know about that flat. You know, it's like sometimes I have the hair that I really want to pop it up, my pompadour, but sometimes it's a little more flat. That's kind of what happened with that snow out there this morning. Now, these numbers are very preliminary, and we're still hopeful that you can share with us. You can share with us on Facebook, with @Jacqui, at ABC7 Brian, share them with Twitter, Facebook, social media. We would love to get some of your information in here. We've gotten some information. Swan Point down in Charles County, 5 inches. Maddox down in southern St. Mary's, 5. We've got a report from Lusby in southern Charles County of about 6. 2.9 in the district thus far. 5.5 down towards Culpeper, Ashburn about 3. Obviously noticing lesser amounts north and northwest of town as anticipated, but I will tell you, like, these numbers are possibly low because some of these have not been updated for the last couple hours, so we're still waiting. Now, here's the deal. Through the morning for a little flurry action, but I think by 8 o'clock we're starting to dry out. Sun up at 6:57. We're not going to see a ton of sunshine this afternoon, but I do think we'll get some periods of sunshine. We will get close to the 30-degree mark through the afternoon, and although we're not going to be above freezing, there will be some melting with that good direct sunlight.